The Amazon rainforest, a name that conjures images of emerald canopies stretching as far as the eye can see. This is no mere forest, it is a world unto itself. The Amazon is the Earth's largest tropical rainforest, a staggering 5.5 million square kilometers of vibrant life. It is so vast, it has earned the nickname the lungs of the Earth. And for good reason. The Amazon produces 20% of the world's oxygen, a vital contribution to the air we breathe. But the Amazon is far more than just a giant oxygen factory. It's a complex ecosystem, a delicate web of life that has evolved over millions of years. This is a place where rivers flow like arteries, carrying lifeblood to the heart of the forest. It is a place where the air hums with the sounds of unseen creatures and where every leaf and branch teems with hidden wonders. The Amazon is a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world, a place that continues to inspire awe and wonder in all who experience its magic. Imagine a river so mighty it could compete with the ocean itself. This is the Amazon River, the lifeblood of the rainforest that bears its name. Flowing for over 6,400 kilometers, it is one of the longest rivers in the world, a colossal waterway that snakes its way through the heart of South America. The Amazon rainforest itself spans across 9 countries: Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Bolivia, Ecuador, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. Each nation holds a piece of this precious ecosystem, a responsibility they share with the world. The Amazon River is not merely a geographical feature, it is the very essence of the rainforest. Its waters, originating high in the Andes Mountains, carry vital nutrients and sediment that nourish the entire ecosystem. The river is a highway for countless species, from the iconic pink river dolphins to the fearsome black caiman. It connects the rainforest, allowing life to flourish in its every corner. To truly understand the Amazon, one must first understand the river that gives it life. Step into the Amazon and you step into a world unlike any other. This is a place where life explodes in a riot of colors, shapes, and sounds. Home to over 3 million species of plants and animals, the Amazon boasts the greatest biodiversity on Earth. It's a living library of evolution where every creature, from the smallest insect to the largest predator, plays a vital role. The iconic jaguar stalks its prey through the undergrowth, a symbol of power and grace. High in the canopy, sloths move with their characteristic slowness, perfectly adapted to their arboreal lifestyle. Macaws, with their vibrant plumage, fill the air with their calls, while the deadly poison dart frog warns predators with its bright colors. And hidden beneath the surface of the rivers lurk creatures like the electric eel and the piranha, each uniquely adapted to their watery world. But the Amazon's biodiversity is not just about the animals. The plant life is equally diverse and fascinating. Towering Brazil nut trees, their branches laden with nutritious nuts, stand tall above the forest floor. Rubber trees, their sap a source of valuable latex, provide a vital resource for both humans and wildlife. And countless other plant species, many with medicinal properties yet to be fully understood, thrive in this rich ecosystem. The Amazon is a treasure trove of life, a testament to the boundless creativity of nature. For millennia, the Amazon has been home to numerous indigenous communities, each with its own unique culture and traditions. These are the true guardians of the forest, people who have lived in harmony with nature for generations. They possess an intimate knowledge of the rainforest, understanding its rhythms and respecting its power. Their way of life, often based on sustainable hunting, fishing, and gathering, has allowed them to thrive in this challenging environment. But the indigenous communities of the Amazon face growing challenges. Deforestation, driven by logging, mining, and agriculture, threatens their ancestral lands and their way of life. Illegal activities, often linked to organized crime, bring violence and destruction to their communities. And the impacts of climate change, from droughts to floods, add another layer of uncertainty to their already precarious existence. The world must listen to the voices of the indigenous people. They are the ones who truly understand the value of the Amazon, and their knowledge is crucial for developing sustainable solutions. Protecting their rights to their land and their way of life is not just a matter of social justice. It is essential for the survival of the rainforest itself. Section 5. The world's beating heart, the Amazon's importance. The Amazon rainforest is often called the lungs of the earth, and for good reason. It plays a crucial role in regulating the global climate, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and releasing oxygen through photosynthesis. But its importance goes far beyond simply providing us with breathable air. The Amazon acts as a giant air conditioner, regulating rainfall patterns and temperatures not just in South America, but across the globe. It is a vital source of fresh water, with the Amazon River alone accounting for 20% of the world's total river discharge. The rainforest also plays a crucial role in preventing soil erosion and regulating water cycles. Beyond its environmental importance, the Amazon holds immense economic and cultural value. It is a source of food, medicine, and raw materials, providing livelihoods for millions of people. It is also a treasure trove of cultural diversity, home to numerous indigenous languages, traditions, and beliefs. The Amazon is a global asset, a vital resource for humanity that must be protected at all costs. Section 6. The forest under fire. Threats to the Amazon. The Amazon, for all its vastness and resilience, faces unprecedented threats. Deforestation, driven by a complex interplay of factors, is eating away at the rainforest at an alarming rate. Vast swathes of forest are cleared each year for cattle ranching, soy production, and unsustainable logging practices. Climate change is another major threat, exacerbating the effects of deforestation. Rising temperatures and altered rainfall patterns disrupt the delicate balance of the ecosystem, making the forest more susceptible to droughts and wildfires. Illegal activities such as mining and logging further degrade the rainforest and threaten the livelihoods of indigenous communities. The consequences of inaction are dire. As deforestation continues, the Amazon edges closer to a tipping point. If too much forest is lost, it could trigger a cascade of irreversible changes, transforming vast areas of rainforest into dry savanna. This would have catastrophic consequences for the region's biodiversity, climate, and the livelihoods of millions of people. Section 7. Seeds of Hope. Conservation efforts. Despite the challenges, there is hope for the Amazon. Across the region, scientists, conservationists, governments, and indigenous communities are working tirelessly to protect this vital ecosystem. Protected areas and national parks have been established, safeguarding millions of hectares of rainforest. Reforestation projects are underway, aiming to restore degraded areas and reconnect fragmented forests. Sustainable forestry practices are being promoted, encouraging the responsible management of timber resources, and indigenous communities are playing a leading role in conservation efforts, drawing on their traditional knowledge to protect their ancestral lands. International collaboration is also crucial. Developed nations have a responsibility to support conservation efforts in the Amazon, both financially and through technology transfer. Global agreements, such as the Paris Agreement on climate change, provide a framework for addressing the drivers of deforestation and promoting sustainable development. Section 8. What we can do. Our role in protecting the Amazon. The fate of the Amazon lies not just in the hands of governments and organizations, but in the choices we make every day. As individuals, we have the power to make a difference. By reducing our consumption of products that drive deforestation, such as beef, soy, and timber from unsustainable sources, we can reduce our impact on the rainforest. We can support organizations working to protect the Amazon through donations and volunteering. We can educate ourselves and others about the importance of the rainforest and the threats it faces. And we can use our voices to advocate for policies that promote conservation and sustainable development. Every action, no matter how small, can have a ripple effect. By making conscious choices and raising our voices, we can contribute to a movement for change. The future of the Amazon depends on all of us. Section 9. A legacy for tomorrow, ensuring the Amazon's future. The Amazon rainforest is a global treasure, a priceless inheritance that we must safeguard for future generations. It is a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world, a source of wonder, inspiration, and vital resources, but its future hangs in the balance. We stand at a crossroads. The choices we make today will determine the fate of the Amazon. We can choose to continue down a path of destruction, driven by short-term gain and disregard for the natural world. Or we can choose a different path, one that recognizes the interconnectedness of all life and the importance of protecting our planet's irreplaceable ecosystems. The time for action is now. Let us work together to ensure that the Amazon rainforest continues to thrive, a beacon of hope and a symbol of our commitment to a sustainable future.